Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix failed to open group policy object on this computer. Click this PC, C drive. Click View, check hidden items. Open Windows, System32 folder. Open Group Policy folder. Rename Machine folder to machine.old. Click Yes to continue. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.